What's up, YouTube? We're gonna do something a little different today. We're between kitchens right now, so we're gonna show you the new kitchen. And also, I'm taking you guys right now to Saratoga, California. We're gonna go check out this pumpkin patch. So stay tuned. Hey, so Ashley at Zesty asked me to make this video. I'm gonna show off some of the equipment that I use for our day-to-day filming at the new kitchen. I'll put the link to her channel at the bottom. She has a really cool cooking channel. I only watch a few cooking channels quite often, and hers is one of them. Definitely worth checking out. Alright guys, new kitchen, new studio. Real excited to use all the equipment in here. It's really good equipment. Got more counter space for prepping. Yeah, let me show you around. Yeah, so here's the new range right here. Viking range. Commercial grade quality. Okay, so plating. One of the most important things, not only necessarily on YouTube for thumbnails, but also in the real world. People eat with their eyes first. So I've recently picked up a few items to really show off the food in a picture format, because it's a little bit different trying to take a picture of food versus just showing someone the dish. It's a little bit harder to make food looks sexy in picture format. So I have picked up a few items and I'm going to show you what I use right now. Alright, so I have different variations of boards. I use these for cutting and also plating. Small wood ones like this. One here. There's another one. These are all like faux wood boards. Alright, and then plates, I have a couple different sizes, variations. Black, very important black. Black really brings out colors in food. I also have this guy, which I haven't even used yet. I'm not even sure when we're going to use that, but I have different styles of plates just to really bring out the artisticness in the food. Alright, once you have the food on those beautiful plates and those boards, then one of the most important things I use for my thumbnails is a photo box. Basically what you do is you slide the food inside. It has its own little lighting system, and it really shows off the food. I'll show you that right now. Right there, pretty standard photo box. A little dirty from the move, gotta wash it up, but that's it. Slide the food inside. It has this nice little lighting system here. You can see how great your pictures will come out. That background actually changes. You can change that to a black or a white background inside. Cameras, I always use two cameras in production. I use a main camera, which you are on right now, and then I have a side shot camera or an overhead camera for our close-up shots. We've been using the Canon T5Is. We also have the Rode extension microphone. I find that using both the same microphones on each camera helps with the blending of the audio. I had a clip-on mic, but we had some issues there. But yeah, that's what we use for cameras. Alright, so for tripods, I actually have three styles. The main style is the tallest one that you guys are on, and then we have the mini one right here, which I use for the side shots, for the close cutting, chopping, you know, things like that. Then I have this guy. Now I'm gonna try using this. I haven't used this yet, but at this place I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna try to use this. It's pretty cool. It like grabs onto things and like you can hang the camera from different angles. I have a hook over here that I'm gonna try to hang it from. Still under you know, construction with this, but we might use this, and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna use this at. Now, this is the thing I was gonna show you guys. I'm gonna try to hang this thing over here like this on the hood, and have the camera do like overhead shots like that. And I can even almost slide this around, so that should work out great. We'll see. So for lighting, I use box lights. I have 5 box lights, and they have 4 bulbs apiece. I took off the dressing on this one so you can see what's inside. This one has the thing. It's just a standard box light. I also have one that is overhead, and that one does all the overhead lighting. So for like, you know, just standing here right now, that's where you're getting the light from the top. It has its own little boom and everything. And then I'm also, you'll see that light right there. We're also gonna change those out and make those white so they blend well with the other box lights. More killer recipes are gonna be out November 4th, guys, so bear with me in this little transition. We'll see you then.